The SUDS error code on a washing machine indicates that there are too many SUDS in the washer, which prevents it from spinning out water from the load effectively. To resolve the issue, the washer will automatically add more water to eliminate the SUDS. This error is commonly caused by using too much detergent, which leads to excessive SUDS due to agitation. Additionally, using the wrong type of detergent, such as non-high-efficiency detergent, can also cause excessive SUDS, resulting in a longer wash cycle. A clogged drain pipe can also lead to the SUDS error. To fix the SUDS error, it is essential to use the right amount of detergent. This can be achieved by reading the manufacturer's recommendations on ratios, considering the amount and type of loads being washed, and taking into account the water hardness and detergent concentration. Using a measuring tool instead of estimating the detergent amount is also recommended. Furthermore, using high-efficiency detergent is crucial, as it is specifically designed for high-efficiency machines and can help prevent SUDS from forming. When selecting a detergent, look for the He symbol on the packaging. Check the concentration and recommended ratio, and opt for detergents with enzymatic properties, which can help break down dirt more efficiently. It is also important to check the drain hose pipe for any blockages. To do this, switch off the power supply, move the machine away from the wall, disconnect the pipe, and clean it thoroughly before reassembling it. If the problem persists, performing a clean washer cycle can help eliminate any buildup in the machine. By following these steps, the SUDS error can be resolved, and the washing machine can function effectively.